In 1946, post-World War II, several significant events occurred in the automotive industry. In Italy, Battista Pininfarina made a notable design change on the Cisitalia 202, opening new styling dimensions. In Chicago, Preston Tucker began producing the innovative Tucker 48. Meanwhile, in Los Angeles, entrepreneurs like Gary Davis sought to fill the gap left by domestic automakers who were slow to introduce post-war models. Davis, despite lacking hands-on car-building experience, had a keen eye for what sold. He spotted a unique three-wheeled car, the Californian, designed by Frank Curtis and owned by Joel Thorne. Davis acquired this car and hired engineers, including Peter Westberg, to reverse engineer and build a new vehicle. They created a one-quarter-size clay model, which was photographed and featured in Hollywood Citizen News, claiming future production of 50 cars per day at $995 each. Davis secured investment from the Bendix family, rented a hangar in Van Nuys, and aimed to unveil the car at the Ambassador Hotel in November 1947. The prototype, nicknamed Baby, featured an aluminum body, removable fiberglass top, and impressive maneuverability, capable of a full-lock U-turn at 55 miles per hour. Davis showcased Baby at various events, generating significant publicity. The car could accommodate 4 passengers on its bench seat, despite its compact size. After initial testing, Baby was displayed in the Ambassador Hotel lobby, then shipped to Philadelphia for a Christmas pageant, and later participated in the Tournament of Roses parade. Davis assured the public that the car would sell for $995 and be in production by early 1948. However, production struggles and Davis's questionable financial management led to discontent among dealers and employees. Dealers sued Davis for breach of contract in 1949, leading to an investigation and subsequent conviction of Davis on 20 counts of fraud. He was sentenced to 2 years at a minimum security work farm. The Davis car is seen as part of a pattern of ambitious but ultimately failed automotive startups, similar to Tucker and DeLorean. Only 17 Davis cars were produced before the company dissolved.